In today's lesson, we are going to add fractions using make a whole. So, how does this work? Well, here's a question. 2 and 5/9 plus 4 and 7/9. This is our question. So the first thing what we want to do is we want to take, it doesn't matter which one we pick, but one of our fractions is going to be the one that we focus on. It really doesn't matter which one you pick. Now, when we have that fraction that we're going to be focusing on, we want to make a whole. So you're not looking at the whole number, you're zeroing in on the fraction piece, the 5/9. And what you're going to ask yourself is, what do I have to add to 5 to give me 9? 4. So I have to add 4 9s. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 4 9s away from this, and I'm going to put it right here. And we're going to make a whole number by adding these together. But if I take 4 9s away from 7 9s, I have 3 9s left over because 4 plus 3 is 7. So it's going to be 4 9s plus 4 and 3 9s. So this 4 9s bumps this up to 3 wholes, and we're left with 4 and 3 9s. So we're going to take this that adds to 3 and add it to 4 and 3 9s. So 3 plus 4 and 3 9s is 7 and 3 9s. And then we simplify that by dividing both the top and bottom both by 3. And we get 7 and 1/3. So let's do a couple questions just to see what I'm talking about here. So 4 and 5 6s plus 5 6s. So what do I have to add to 5 to make 6? 1. So I'm going to write out 4 and 5 6s, and I'm going to add 1/6 to it. But I'm going to take that 1/6 away from the 5 6s. So if I take 1 away from 5, what do I have left? I have 4 6s. So if we add these two together, we get 5 wholes. And we have this on top of that. So that's 5 and 5 plus 4/6, which is really easy because you just put them together and you get 5 and 4 6s. Are we done?
No.
No, we need to simplify. So what do we add? What do we divide?
Divide them by 2.
And we get
2 and 5 and 2/3.
5 and 2/3, and that's how we do it. That is our final answer, okay? So this is kind of similar to count on, the method we looked at last time. The only difference is we're not doing this on a line.
We're doing it like the Vegas.
Okay, so let's do another one like this. 7 and 5 7s plus 4 and 4 7s. So what do I have to add to 5 7s to make 1 whole?
You add 2 7s
2 7s.
to make 8.
Now if I take 2 7s away from 4 and 4 7s, what do I have left?
2 7s. No.
I have 4 and 2 7s, that's correct.
Oh.
So now these two fractions are going to add to give us that whole. So we're going to get 8 plus 4 and 2 7s. So if we add those together, what do we get?
12 and 2
12 and 2
7s.
7s. One more question, here we go. 8 and 4/5 plus 3 and 3/5. So it's going to be 8 and 4/5 plus what?
1/5.
1/5. And then what's the rest of it? 3 and 2/5. So if I combine 8 and 4/5 plus 1/5, we get 9 plus 3 and 2/5. What's 9 plus 3 and 2/5? 12 and 2/5.